more when I had less. That's the way it goes, I guess. The more I have, I must confess, the more I need. My first car was a bucket of bolts. It wouldn't go far, but it sure did smoke. All them girls would laugh and joke, and then they'd hop right in. Take 'em down to the water hole, we'll all go swimming in our birthday clothes. Lord knows how I love those good old pals of mine. We've all gone our separate ways, but we'll always have those good old days. Ain't no taking those away, they're locked inside my mind. Sometimes I miss the simple stuff, 'cause the road I'm on can sure get rough. When I think I've had enough, I just take it for a little spin. Of all the things I've left behind, that old car's still running fine. Ain't no hill that she can't climb, just gotta give her the time. Take 'em down to the water hole, we'll all go swimming in our birthday clothes. Lord knows how I love those good old pals of mine. We've all gone our separate ways, but we'll always have those good old days. Ain't no taking those away, they're locked inside my mind. Birthday clothes. Lord knows how I love those good old pals of mine. We've all gone our separate ways, but we'll always have those good old days. Ain't no taking those away, they're locked inside my